Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to my January plan with me and bullet journal setup. If you saw my last video, which was my 2018 bullet journal setup, you'd know that I'm brand new to bullet journaling. I've never done it before, so it's still really new and exciting for me. And in today's video, I've got some really cute cloud nails, which if you saw my last video, you'd also know that the theme for the start of my bullet journal is clouds and dreams and dreaming big and turning dreams into a reality. So I'm super excited to jump straight into this video and show you guys what I have planned for January. So for my January cover page, I'm just doing this hand lettering and faux calligraphy style writing, and I'm really sorry my camera kept cutting out here, so you get the gist of it. But I'm then just adding some little cloud doodles around the page to kind of create a border, and coming in with my ruler to just join those up and make it a bit more of a distinct border. And then I'm coming in with some Tombow brush pens and just adding a bit of color to brighten it up a little bit. And I'm really happy with how this turned out. I think it looks really cute and it's quite simple as well, which I like. And then for the next page, I'm going to do my January monthly log. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. As I said before, I'm brand new to this, so you'll have to bear with me if I get the names of things wrong. But anyway, I'm doing a personal and a business columns. So I'm just doing the dates and the days of the week down the center of the page, and then going to highlight the Mondays so I can see at a glance where the week starts and finishes. And then what I thought would be really cute for the next page is to do a positive thought a day, because I really want to set lots of positive thoughts and intentions for the new year. So I just thought it'd be a really nice place to write down at the end of each day a positive thought from the day or something that, you know, inspired me. So again, going with our cloud theme, I'm going to add some little cloud doodles around the borders of the pages again, and then join those up with a ruler. So again, I'm really happy with how this turned out. I was just kind of winging it, but I think it looks really good. And then on the next page, I thought I would do a habit and sleep tracker. So this time I'm writing each date in January across the page, and I'm just leaving enough of a gap to put a header in, and then to put each of the good habits that I want to try and keep down the left side, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to do the same, like a little graph down the bottom half of the page, and this will be my sleep tracker. So I'm just adding in again each of the dates of the month and then the number of hours of sleep, and it's just not possible for me to ever get more than 10 hours sleep. I wish I could, but realistically I think about 8 or 9 would be the absolute maximum, so that's just what I went up to. And then I'm coming in with my Tombow brush pen and going to do in lowercase a kind of cursive style writing, and then I'm going to go over it with a fine liner and do this cursive font, and I just love how this turned out. I kind of did a similar style header font for my 2018 bullet journal setup. So if you want to check that video out, I'll have a card up in the top right corner, and I'll leave a link down below so you can go watch it. But yeah, I just think this font looks really cool. And then I'm doing it again on the next page, which is going to be my expense tracker. So I'm just writing expenses, and then I'm coming in with a ruler and going to draw up a table. So I've got the date, a description, and whether it was a plus or minus to my bank account, which probably, let's just be real, is mostly going to be a minus. So for the next page, I'm going to do my weekly spread. I think that's what it's called, weekly log. So I'm coming in and ruling out a row for each day of the week. And again, I'm going to do a similar style header font for each of the days of the week, but this time just doing the capital letter for each day, and then just coming back in with a fine liner and adding the day and the date, and then going to do like a little header, the 1st to the 7th of Jan. And then I thought it'd be really cute to do a quote down the bottom. So again, going with the theme of dreaming big, I've written, "If you can dream it, you can do it," which is a quote by Walt Disney. It's one of my favorite ever quotes. I don't know, I just love it, and I love anything Disney, so I thought that was really cute. And then on the other page, I will then put each of my daily log items, so the things that I need to do each day of the week. But yeah, this is pretty much it for my January setup. It's quite simple. I know I haven't done that much. I will probably expand on this as the month goes, and so I'll show you guys that in my February plan with me. I'll do a bit of a flip through and show you guys each of the spreads that I've added in and anything that I've adjusted. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!